Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We need to start November since today's the 1st. I'm gonna put this at 3,200, I think. Let's see what this was just for fun. Okay. So maybe I should even plan lower. I think it'll be okay like this though. Interest. Extra. Change that back. Electric was 141.67. Gas, we'll just go ahead and put it at 550. Okay, this month I think we're gonna make everything okay. Make it right. I don't know how much Black Friday I'll get yet. We shouldn't need too much for this, but again, I don't know, but it's a start. And it could all change. Okay, so mortgage is due today. I paid the electric earlier. I guess I didn't put that in here like I thought I did. YouTube TV. I got gas. And I got cake mix and icing. No. This really needs to be like updated, but I'm not sure. I mean, I know how much is there, but then again, we do it a little different. What does that mean? I mean, I know what it says, but let's click it and find out. No. Nope. Okay. So, groceries, restaurants, household. Again, like I said, this is all subject to change. I don't know what's out there. I don't know what we may want, but so 5, 6, 7, 8, 956. Leftover is 57 something. Hang on, I'll get the notebook and I'll figure it out. Would be 57, 24, 89. And so I guess you could do it technically for October, but since I did it on the 31st, we didn't have it until today. So there's $6.90 in interest from this other account, or from one of the checking accounts. And then our other one should start doing better, according to the email that I got. That's so crazy to look at this. Okay, so no, click thing again. Oh, hey, you can get on here and still do it. Unless it did it because it thinks I upgraded. It better not have just charged me money. Okay. So 57, 24, 89. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it be for now, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.